Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I have a look at the Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth portable speakers. These came out a while ago and finally got my hands on it, and we're just going to do an unboxing and first impressions. I'll do a sound test, and yeah, let's go ahead and check this out. Alright, so I have the box right here. On the front you just have a picture of the speaker, and then on the back you get some more information about it and its features: clear, deep, powerful sound. Position IQ detects orientation and optimizes sound. This is waterproof and dustproof, so you can take this with you wherever you go and you don't have to worry about it getting any water or any dust damaging the speaker. It also withstands drops, crushing shocks, rust. You can actually use this as a speakerphone. It has a microphone, and you can actually pair this with other Bose speakers and have multiple speakers playing the same audio. And then as far as battery life goes, this has 12 hours per charge, which is pretty nice. Alright, so I just peeled off the two tabs on the side, and I think we can just lift it up like this. And yeah, there is the speaker. Let me just remove it. And we do get some booklets, just your standard booklets that contains information about the speakers. Not sure if I'll ever read these, but always nice to have. And then it looks like we have a cable. I think this is USB A to USB-C to charge this. It's nice that they include a USB-C, so charging should be pretty fast. Yeah, so that's the box, and that's all you get. All right, so now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the speaker. And my first impressions are, this is built very nicely. It feels very rugged. I actually like this material. This looks like it's like plastic or some type of rubber, which is gonna just keep this protected. And you have the Bose logo right there, very nice. You also have this little hook that you can attach to like your backpack or something like that. You have these two small legs that's just gonna prevent this from kind of moving when you have it on like a table or something. On the top here, you have the power button. You have the volume up or volume down and volume up buttons. You have the Bluetooth button to pair this. And I think you have the multi-function button that you can do all kinds of stuff with. So yeah, that's all there is to the speakers. All right, now let's go ahead and pair this with our phone and see how it sounds. All right, so I just got back from connecting this to my phone and my computer. All I had to do is go into Bluetooth and find the name of the device and pair it with the speaker and my phone. So as far as setup wise goes, it was pretty easy. Now I did test it out with some music, and overall I was pretty impressed with the sound quality. I'm going to play some sample audio later in this video, but first I just wanted to talk about a few things that I forgot to mention on the unboxing portion of it. So the first is that you can't connect this directly to your phone and play audio wired. All of the sound is going to be via Bluetooth, which if you are someone that wants to connect it to your phone and not use Bluetooth, that's not an option, which, you know, some people that might be a big reason why not to get this. But for someone like me, I usually just play all of my music through Bluetooth, so it's not a big issue for me. So another thing I found out from setting this up is that the buttons up here aren't the best in terms of pressing them and getting feedback. It took me a while to press the on-off button and get this thing turned on, and that's just because I wasn't pressing it right. So that's something that you should be aware of if you do go ahead and purchase this and you're trying to figure out how the buttons work. As far as sound quality goes, like I said, I was pretty impressed. I spent like 15 to 20 minutes just playing some music for my phone, and the audio is clear, the bass was pretty good. I can only imagine how much better this will sound if you connect it to another Bose Bluetooth speaker. So if you decide to go and get two of them, you can kind of get a stereo sound going. So yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna play some music. This is just gonna be like copyright free music, so it's probably not gonna be something you've heard before, but hopefully it gives you a good idea of what this thing sounds like. Alright, as you can see, I have my microphone sitting above the speaker. Now I do want to point out that one of the cool features with this speaker is that you can place it horizontally, vertically, in any orientation, and the sound is supposed to sound the same when it's coming from the speaker. So we're going to try that out as well. But this should give you an example of what this thing sounds like, and hopefully you get something out of it. And all right, hopefully that gives you a good idea of what this speaker sounds like. And yeah, so that has been a look and unboxing. And yeah, so that has been a first look at the Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth speaker. If you're interested in purchasing this, I'll have a link in the description, as well as a few other speakers that I like as well. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.